Here's how to use the eraser tool. Go to your tool panel and select the eraser tool, or you can press E on your keyboard to select the eraser tool. Now click here and you can change your eraser brush size. You can also make the brush harder from here, and you can also change your opacity of your eraser. Use your eraser tool to erase something just like this. You can also click here to change your eraser size as well. And now I'll show you how to use the background eraser tool. Just right click on your eraser, select background eraser tool. And now here select this background eraser icon. And now you'll be able to easily erase only background of your photo just like this. And here's another eraser you get. If you right click on the eraser tool, you can select the magic eraser tool, and this will erase only a part, in which part you just click just like this. So this is how you can actually use the eraser tool.